Got a German car? Then you need to watch this. Ever noticed how your brakes get extra noisy in winter? Yeah, it's not just in your head.
So why does it happen? Cold temps make your brake pads and rotors stiff, making that annoying squeaky sound. Plus moisture plus cold air equals rust on the rotors. And guess what? More noise. How to fix it? Let your car warm up before driving. Tap the brakes gently to clear off rust and dust. Still noisy? Upgrade to high-quality ceramic brake pads. Oh, and by the way, it's not just German cars. Hey,